Good morning, students. Today we will discuss about the physical properties of alcohol. Before this video, I had explained the method of preparation of alcohol. Now today we will discuss about the physical properties of alcohol. And you must know that among the physical properties, you have to study about its physical state, solubility, and their melting point or boiling point, and their color, etc. Regarding the physical state, regarding the physical state, regarding the physical state, lower alcohols, I mean to say the alcohols having the number of carbon atom 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. Lower alcohols are gaseous in state. Lower alcohols are in gaseous state. Lower alcohols are generally in the gaseous state. But you can say the alcohol having the carbon atom 12, or the alcohols having the carbon atom 12 or more. The alcohol in which the number of carbon atom 12 or more, they are solid state. They are in the solid state. Lower alcohols are in the gaseous state, while the alcohols having the carbon atom 12 or more than 12 are in the solid state. And next one is they have tendency. Alcohol molecule have tendency of forming the hydrogen bonding. They have tendency to form the hydrogen bonding. That is why next property we have to study about the solubility. Solubility. Since alcohols like this one LROH, water molecule, then alcohol, this is water molecule H2O. You will see that there is hydrogen bond. Hydrogen bond persists between the hydrogen and oxygen in this. Hydrogen bonding is formed between the alcohol molecule and water molecule. This one alcohol water. In this way, you can see it is an intermolecular hydrogen bonding. This is intermolecular hydrogen bonding. Due to formation of intermolecular hydrogen bonding, lower alcohols are soluble in water. Lower alcohols are soluble in water because they can form the intermolecular hydrogen bonding. The alcohol having the low number of carbon atom, I mean to say the alcohol in which number of carbon atom in the alkyl group, which have higher, bigger size alkyl group, they are strongly soluble. They are in solid water because of the hydrophobic nature of the alkyl group. That is alkyl group. Its nature is hydrophobic. It is hydrophobic nature. It is the hydrophobic nature. That is why higher alcohols do not dissolve in water due to the hydrogen bonding between the alcohol and water molecule. You have to write the answer that lower alcohol is soluble in water because of the intermolecular hydrogen bonding between the alcohol and water molecule. That is why they are soluble in water. Now we come to the next physical property, that is the boiling point of alcohol. The boiling point of alcohol, generally you can see that alcohols are OH. another molecule of alcohol. There will be intermolecular hydrogen bonding. Hydrogen bonding takes place between the alcohol molecule. Remember, in the case of boiling point, you have to write the intermolecular formation of hydrogen bonding between the alcohol molecules. That is why they have higher boiling point. Alcohols have higher boiling point because of the formation of hydrogen bonding between the molecules of alcohol. In the case of boiling point, hydrogen bonding takes place. Hydrogen bonding occurs between the alcohol molecule. When we were discussing about the solubility, hydrogen bonding were between the alcohol and water molecule. This point is to be difference. You have to make difference from this one. In the case of boiling point, the question asked regarding the boiling point. Then hydrogen, you have to write the formation of hydrogen bonding between the molecules of alcohol. If solubility is asked in the question paper, then you have to write the formation of hydrogen bonding between the alcohol and water molecule. That is why alcohols have higher boiling point than the corresponding alkanes. You can say alkane, alkyl halide, or you can say haloalkanes, or ether, or alcohol. Alcohols have higher boiling point. Alkanes have least boiling point, while the alcohol, when we compare the boiling point between the haloalkanes and alcohol, haloalkanes have less boiling point, alcohol have more boiling point. Reason is same. Reason will be, in this case, hydrogen bonding form. In this case, there is no hydrogen bonding. In this way, there is no hydrogen bonding. Neither alkane, haloalkane, or ether do not form the hydrogen bonding easily. They do not form hydrogen bonding. That's why they have low boiling point. Although there is something alag, you can say different bond forces.